What it do, Jada Boo?
It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I got some new hair coming to you with some new hair. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts and upload. So yeah, I'm trying to do a series on my channel with the What Lace company, hair line. I recently purchased this from Ebony line, but I'm going to get some hair from Sam's Beauty that they're gonna send me. So thank you, Sam's Beauty. You can't wait to collab or whatever. But this hair, you can get it from Sam's as well, but I just decided to get it off Ebony because it was the first company that came up. And yes, this is the What Lace line that they have, and then this is 1B. So I tried to get it in like a brown but black, but it's giving me jet black still, but I'm loving it. And the curls like came like this. I did not curl it, curl it or nothing, and the lace also came like this. I didn't want to over pluck it or pluck it. I just wanted y'all to see fresh out. Yeah, so this is what I did, and y'all are gonna be watching the install of me doing this hair. The model style or whatever is Zelena. I tried to get the salon one, you know, that everybody has been getting, but Zelena is giving the girls hair curls. It is not big head friendly, I would say that. So this side does lay down, but the other side I just do not have that glue down. And you're gonna see in the video that I also did a glueless method. So yeah, this is the first time for me trying a, you know, glueless wig, just spraying it down. I'm really in love with this hair. It's giving me, you know, sassy or whatever. And this is the package that it came in. Sorry that it's crumbled, but it says What Lace. I will be linking the link in the description box below. So it is a 13x6. So it's the Cloud9 Swiss Lace What Lace hairline illusion wig, and it's not giving me synthetic. It's like not thick how synthetic hair would be, you know, that fake look. Like it's giving me natural vibes, and I'm here for it. And like I said, I did not curl it. Like I just keep twisting the hair up like this. They also have multiple colors in this wig. They have the 613, flamboyage, auburn, multiple, as y'all can see. I'm here for the synthetic because it is $50. Can you believe that? Like $50 for this wig. I will do an update if that's what y'all want on the hair. It takes up to 400 heat, so you can flat iron this hair. You can hot comb it, and it's giving me like 16 inch. So if you want a longer length, you might want to go with a different model style. But enough rambling, let's just get into the install of this wig. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay tuned for the install.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.